All right, so this is the OEM style tail light on a 2000 Dyna. And stock, the tail lights would come back here. This has been modified. It has bags on it, and instead of having the turn signals relocated off this, they were relocated up here. This was done before we bought the bike, and it's okay, but it also means you can't remove this sissy bar and rack system because it's molded into that. It's built into it, that's the mount. So I got an LED tail light from Benlari. Now this thing is supposed to be 200% brighter than like your OEM lights, which wouldn't surprise me if it's LED, but it's also kind of split, and one side will function as a turn signal for left and one side for right. Clip is underneath here. It slides out. All right, now the housing has receptacles right in here for the turn signals. So your orange on this particular model goes over here. It's probably going to be the same for you, but you might want to plug it in and test it before you button everything up. I've already done that and confirmed that for you. And the brake tail license plate light goes over here. Now this green wire, if connected to either plug in the turn signal, will make this light where it just operates as a typical brake light where it comes on and stays on when you press the brake. We are actually going to do something slightly different. So I'm going to tape it to the wire here and cover it, and I'm not going to use that because it has a functionality of 3 seconds of flashing and then solid, and that's the way I want it to operate. I'll show you the difference. I'll throw a bolt in here to hold the light in real quick so you can see it. We have a white light up here for our license plate illumination, tail light, brake light flashing, goes solid. Here's our operation of turns. All right, guys, let's turn the lights off. So we hit the brakes, 3-second flash, and solid. Turn signal. Now, if you take this green wire and you were to connect it, just for the purpose of demonstration, I want you to see that it will operate as a standard operation type tail light without the flashing. Run this screw in and we'll give her a quick test. So if you connect the green wire as we just demonstrated, you'll see now when we pull the brake, it operates like your typical brake light with no flashing. All right, guys, so LED lighting is a lot different than incandescent bulb lighting. The lights on here are more defined. It doesn't maybe glow as much, but it's definitely bright. I like the looks of it. I like the integrated turns. I'm actually going to get rid of these turn signals up here now that I have turn signals built in here, and I'm going to clean up the turn signals on the front end of this bike. But that's a different video. Today we're just showcasing this rear tail light that's going to allow me to get rid of some of these other lights and clean this up and convert this bike to all LED lighting. This is a super simple install. Literally 2 Phillips screws, unplug the wires, plug wires in, screw it back together. That's all it takes. I'll leave a link to this product in the description down below if you're interested in purchasing it. I really like the way it looks and the things that it's going to allow me to do to change this bike up and go to all LED lighting and get rid of some of these old OE style lights. Y'all stay safe, keep on riding, and we'll see you in the next one.